Hello! Hi, Wayne. I'm Paul from London, your uncle. Hey, uncle, how are you? What a pleasant surprise. I'm good, Wayne. Long time no see. Where you guys at? Oh, come on, uncle. We are exactly at the same place since then. You never invited us to London. Oh, Wayne, that's why I call you. Okay, so you're telling me there's a chance? Listen, Wayne, I think you'll forget what is tomorrow. What is tomorrow, uncle? Let me tell you. Tomorrow is my birthday, and I'm very happy to say that you and your whole family is invited. What? Really? Yeah, even your idiot neighbor is invited too. Wow! Thank you, uncle. See you in London. Finally, we are going to London.
Really? Uncle invited us to London?
Yes, he invited us for his birthday party.
Finally.
I want you to inform our neighbor too.
Neighbor? Why?
Because Paul uncle invited our neighbor too. He told me to invite them as well.
Okay. Carla, what happened? Why you called me here? Well, here is a good news for you. Really? What happened? And what is that? We are going London tomorrow. What? Really? Well, Wayne's uncle called him earlier and invited us to his birthday party tomorrow. He also invited you and Tony too. Wow. I'm very excited. Okay. See you tomorrow.
Really excited to see all my relatives here in London. Let the preparation begin.
All preparation are done, let's fly to London.
I'm still wondering why he invited us. He clearly doesn't like me.
Oh come on Tony, it's time to enjoy.
Alright. Let's go. All set, Carla?
Yes, we are ready to go.
Okay. Let's go. Did you inform our neighbor?
Yes, they are ready as well. Can't wait to see Uncle Paul in London.
Well, it's a perfect time to go. It's been a long time since I flew.
We are going to have fun for sure.
We are heading towards the airport.
I think we should go fast, Tony. They already reached airport.
Don't worry, we are just a few miles away from there.
I'm super excited. Can't wait.
Not much time left. Where are they?
Look at your right, they are here as well.
We are ready to go.
Your baggage is collected, sir. Please go to gate number 823.
Thanks.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you. Hey dude. Have you heard about anything? No dude. Like what? Dude, do you know Paul uncle from London? He invited almost everybody in our neighbor area. He invited them in his birthday party. Really? Yes dude, I have the information. I have an idea dude. Paul uncle loves us too. Let's make this opportunity for us. We will also go there. Dude, but how? We don't have enough money. I have an idea.
Wow. Finally we are on the way to London.
Yes. All thanks to Paul uncle.
Can't wait to be there, Tony.
I'm very thankful to Uncle Paul for giving us an invitation.
Yes, he is humble enough to invite us as well in his birthday party. Very thankful to him.
Finally, today is my birthday, and I can't wait to see my relative here. I think they should be here in 4 or 5 hours. Dude, we done it. Yeah, dude, Uncle Paul is better than I thought. Yeah, let's have fun. This is so fun, dude. Uncle Paul is great. What are you thinking, Jack?
You know better about this, Tom. We are here to make ourselves rich.
I know, Jack. So how we getting started?
By hijacking this airplane. This is the last time they will feel rich. I'm going to kill everyone that comes in my way.
Stay calm, dude. We should have proper plan for getting this done, so stay calm.
I can't be calm, dude. I'm gonna take everything from them.
Okay, listen, I have a plan. We will go separately in 2 different rows. We will have plan A and plan B. So I'm gonna take plan A, and you take plan B, got it?
I'm always ready, dude, let's go.
Are you enjoying Wayne? Soon we are gonna be in London.
Dude, this is my first time in airplane. I'm enjoying every bit of it. So am I, dude, thanks Uncle Paul. What is this noise? I don't know. I think we should cheek. Let's go.
Leave me alone, please.
Only if you give me all your money. Looks like a good deal for you. What say?
Please leave me. I don't have money.
Don't try to be over smart. I know how to deal with otherwise, so better do what I'm saying.
Surprise, surprise.
Hey, who are you?
Any guesses? You are here to make me rich.
But how?
Because I am a thief.
What? What you want from me?
Everything you have.
Listen, you idiot, get out from here, or I will call my man.
Don't worry. We are already taking care of your man.
Please don't do this to us. We are on the way to a birthday party.
Shut up and show me the money. Or I will kill your man. Something definitely wrong here. Where did I hear that scream from? Oh my god, what was that? Something is serious here. Oh, no! I think someone is in trouble.
What is that sound?
Hey. So you are the one messed up the whole thing in airplane.
Yes, what you gonna do? Get out of my way, or I will kill you.
We will see. Where's Jack suddenly disappeared? Don't worry about Jack. You will be disappeared as well. You have done enough, Mr. Thief. Your time is over now.
You can't do anything to me.
Hey, Isaiah. Now it's your turn. As you say, dude, here we go.
Finally, we are just minutes away from Paul Uncle's house.
Yeah. Finally. Thank God everything is fine now.
Yes. Uncle Paul will be waiting for us.
Dude, we should be proud of ourselves that we saved the passenger from those thieves. Yeah, dude, I'm very hungry right now. I think you should stop eating popcorn now. We're landing. Thank you so much, Uncle Paul, for the invitation. You're almost like my son Wayne. A true family. Thanks, Uncle, for the invitation.
It feels so good to be here, my friend. Yes, Uncle Paul is so humble person.
Happy birthday, my dear Paul Uncle. Thank you. Happy birthday, Uncle.
Happy birthday, Uncle Paul. We love you forever.
Thank you, Carla. I love you all.
Happy birthday, Uncle Paul. You are the best.
Thank you so much. Everyone is here, but where are those two fools? Finally, we are in London, dude. Yes, dude, it's so much fun being here.